My name is Jim Williamson. I'm the fleet manager for the City of Gillette, and I'm in charge of vehicle maintenance. We take care of every piece of equipment that the city has. We have 206 vehicles, 456 pieces of equipment that 5 people take care of. I've watched this for 5.5 years, and it still amazes me how they do it. It's like they're a great crew, and they come to work every day. Easy, best crew I ever had. We maintain vehicles for every division that runs a vehicle, from light vehicles to heavy vehicles. We have about 40 police cars, and we take care of them. We have water, wastewater, electrical to keep the lights on, parks. They mow about 2,600 acres a year, I think. Streets, we work on the plow trucks, the patching trucks, loaders. They have a lot of heavy equipment that we deal with. That keeps them going, and our sole job is to keep those units on the streets, available for the divisions. My crew does an amazing job of doing that. We have very little stuff down. We just work on stuff every day. It affects every division on how they're able to do their jobs to keep the city running. Vehicles that we support operate on their roads for well over 1 million miles a year, and anywhere from 120,000 to 160,000 hours on the equipment. So it's a lot of work gets done, and it's a difficult job to keep everything going. As you can well imagine, when it's snowing outside, the snow plows become the priority. Garbage trucks are always a priority, It's a challenging thing. It's challenging for the technicians that they have to change jobs. Our fleet is really determined by our internal customers' needs, what they need to do their job. We kind of have a baseline, and we've been trying to reduce that number because of the maintenance costs and stuff. But occasionally they'll have a new thing like water. They have a federal mandate to look at all the underground pipes and stuff. So we ended up adding a piece of equipment, a new Vector truck for them to hydro excavate with. But generally, it's a replacement thing, and it's based on condition, really. There is a trigger that we have at 100 to 120,000 miles for vehicles. But at that point, that's just a cue for us to look at them. If we determine it can run longer, we do that. We're trying to make them most of our taxpayers' money. It's the people, 100% the people.